Now we have to prove that the value of this determinant equal to a minus b minus c, and c minus a. For this, we have to solve the first column, second column, and third column. We have to find out here 0, here 0. Then we solve this determinant very easily. For this, we have to apply here the first operation, that is C1 change by C1 minus C2, and C2 change by C2 minus C3. For this, C1 minus C2, 1 minus 1, 0, A minus B, A square minus B square, 1 minus 1, 0, b minus c, b square minus c square, and column third as it is. Now solve this determinant. 0 into first determinant, eliminating first column, first row, b minus c, c, b square minus c square, c square, minus 0, the second determinant, eliminating c2 and first row, a minus b, c, a square minus b square, c square, and last value, that is plus 1 into the determinant, eliminating third column and first row, a minus b, b minus c, a square minus b square, b square minus c square. Now solving this value, 0 into determinant equal to 0, 0 into this determinant equal to 0, and we have to solve this value, that is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1 into the value of this determinant, a minus b, b minus c, a square minus b square, b square minus c square, that is equal to 1 into multiplying these two values and these two values, a minus b, b square minus c square, minus a square minus b square into b minus c, a square minus b square into b minus c. Now this is equal to a minus b, b square minus c square equal to b plus c, and b minus c minus a square minus b square equal to a plus b, and a minus b, this is b minus c. Now the column value, that is a minus b, a minus b, so a minus b is common, b minus c, b minus c, b minus c is common value, and now b plus c minus a plus b, that is equal to a minus b, b minus c, b plus c minus a minus b, multiplying by minus this value, b cancelled by b, that is equal to a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. Hence proved. That is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, which is value of this determinant. Hence proved.